If everything is falling apart in life right now, relationship, career, money, health, and you're totally confused what to do, where to go, who to look for guidance, then this is the video for you, because your subconscious manifested this video. Watch this video till the end. Hello my beautiful souls, I'm Mithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. So this is a video for all those people who are looking for answers in life. People who are going through the most tower moment of your life where everything is falling apart. Life, relationship, career, finance, and you don't know what to do. Maybe it has happened recently for you, or maybe it has been happening for you for a pretty long time. Let's decode what to do, because this is the video that will guide you towards the solution of your problem. First thing first, it's time to change. Yes. Every time there is a tower moment in your life, every time there is a earthquake in your life, be it in whichever sector, it is demanding change in your life. It is clearly telling you, you need to release your old self and embrace the new. Now your subconscious mind is very comfortable with old structures, even if it is toxic, even if it is keeping you in toxic cycles. Your subconscious mind always operates on survival mode because it wants to keep you safe. It fears change because the change is unknown. What is going to happen next? It has no idea about the future. So let's take an example that you're having a huge financial breakdown for some reason. Sometime when we lose money, when we lose finance, or when we lose a job, it is redirecting us towards something else. Sometimes losing money is also protection that you will not realize today, but you will realize some point. See, everything that happens in our life has some karmic effect. We live in a cause and effect reality. We have done something wrong somewhere. You might feel like, oh, I'm such a good human being. I do such amazing things in life. I do so good. Then why this is happening to me? This is a protection. You're not seeing it right now. If you embrace this situation as, okay, fine, something is happening in my financial sector. Maybe there's a loss. Maybe there's something, a lot of money you have lost, or maybe you have lost a job. This is redirecting you. This is telling you pause and reflect what are the mistakes that you have done in life in terms of finance and where you need to check things. This is not a time to panic. This is not a time to bang your head on the wall. This is a time to realize certain mistakes, certain subconscious pattern that you're holding. So calm down, pause down, and take a pen and paper and write it down. What are the losses that you're facing? Just write down the losses. The next column, write down, what if these losses are actually protecting me towards something or protecting me from something? Next, on the next column, write down, it's okay if I've lost something. Have confidence in you that you will gain back 10x more. This is a time when you can actually reprogram your mind for more abundance. Any breakdown situation can give you the platform to reprogram your mind, because any change, any earthquake, any movement in life, any change, any shift in life actually give you multiple directions. You can choose at that time. So it's okay if you have lost a lot of money, if you lost your job. It's time to redirect to a new angle. Let's take an example for relationship. Relationships are falling apart, or maybe friends and other people, your close ones, are not behaving accordingly, and everything is happening together, like finance and relationship. Trust me, during the time of your turmoil and during all this change period, you will actually see the real face of people who is supposed to stay in your life. When we are in a comfort zone, when we stay in a normal situation, when there's no change, there's no turmoil in life, we don't actually see the real faces of people. You actually see the real faces of people. And there are certain people, you have a path to walk with them. till that day or that date only. After that, there will be new set of people who are going to come. So it is actually making space for new set of people to arrive in your life. And until these people will leave you, until these people will cheat you, they will, betray you, backstab you, or they just go for some, toxic stuffs in their life, there's no cleansing. So people are doing this because they're making space in your life, so that the new set of people who are supposed to walk on the certain path, maybe next 20-30 years, who will walk with you, or maybe for the lifetime, they're supposed to come in your life. So this is what the toxic people, or the people who are not, you're not having a good dynamics with them right now, relationships falling apart, it is making a space. Let's take an example of career. If career is falling apart, pause back and think, is this what I was looking for? Is this what I really wanted to do in life? Sometimes some career paths is not what we have chosen. It has been chosen for the conditioning of the society, parents, or maybe you didn't like it, but it was safe, it is comfortable, I can just get a salary or something like that. But back of your mind, in your subconscious, there is something, there's a business idea that you really want to work. And because of this, maybe this is a time for you right now to work upon it, and universe is giving you guidance by, one thing is very sure, that until you break down the old structure, you cannot build a new structure. And all this turmoil period are actually the breaking down of old structures of your life, so that a new structure can be built. You cannot build a new structure on the foundation of old structure. You have to completely demolish from the root, from the base of the structure, and then establish a new one if you really want change. And there are, you people are fortunate. If things are falling apart in life, you are actually really fortunate, because you're given a chance in life. You are getting chance out of your good karmas to build new structures. So don't bang your head when things are falling apart. Rather, pause and sit back and ask yourself, what life is trying to bring change in my life? Like, what life is trying to portray to me right now, about people, about relationship, about finance, about career, even about health. If you constantly stay unhealthy, just realize that what is in your subconscious mind, what you unconsciously keep on affirming, that is making you suffer. Also, this is a very good time to see what are your limiting beliefs in your subconscious mind. If there is no turmoil, you don't know what is hidden in your depth of your subconscious mind. During a time of turmoil, your subconscious mind is bringing up all the things. Every situation is telling you what are your limiting beliefs. Okay, if you're facing multiple rejection in your relationship, or people are betraying you, just ask yourself, what I think about myself. What are my subconscious beliefs? That, because your reality is a reflection of the image of your subconscious. Whatever it is in your subconscious, it will reflect back. So in mind, if you're really insecure about a relationship for a long time, and you feel like what people will think, or what will happen, either they're are these people actually genuine or not? These are your subconscious limiting beliefs. Now suddenly a turmoil came, and this is your subconscious depth limiting beliefs, which are stored in the depth of your subconscious, is coming up, and it's time to write it down. Just write it down. Write down your situation, and reflecting on the situation, what could be the possible subconscious limiting belief? Because the moment you will extract out your limiting belief on the particular aspects of life, the next moment you will be able to reprogram your mind with unlimited beliefs. For example, like I'm insecure about my relationship because people leave me. Like, I need to work on myself. I'm going to make myself the best version of myself, so that I never have to feel insecure. Okay, if you're losing your finance, just write it down. In the back of your mind, you were insecure at some point with your money, with your finances, with your career. Like, if I lose it, what will happen? Okay, there's so much money. You know your situation, how it is. So just write down your limiting beliefs on that particular matter. And if every aspect of your life is going crazy right now, then you need to make, columns for different aspect, like health, make a page and write your limiting beliefs and then your new set of beliefs. And then again, for the next page, go to your finance and write it down. What is happening? What could be the probable limiting belief I have in my mind that is creating? Because remember, whatever you're seeing in your reality, it is because there's a movie, there's a picture in your subconscious that has been unconsciously built, and that is projecting in your reality. And that is what's happening right now. Reality is giving you a reality check that, dude, what you have inside, you need to clean the junk if you really want to have a better life. Because every problem, every difficult moment of our life is a cleansing period. We panic. We panic so much that we don't look for opportunities. In the moment of problem, always look for solution. It's okay, give yourself 24 hours and then look for solution. Because if you panic, you will never find solution to your problems. But if you sit back, relax and say, okay, I'll have to find it out what's going wrong, you will find more opportunities, you might find more solution. And this is one of the video. See, there are millions of people who watch videos and they have millions of problems. I cannot bring every problem in a video, but I can give you a nutshell. These are the probable things that can happen. And do not panic when things are falling apart. And don't blame yourself like, for so many years my life is like this only. Who is to be blamed for that? You. Because you have a disease, but you don't want to find medicine for it. When you're stuck with your problem for so many years, listen to me very carefully. You're very comfortable with your problem. You keep your problem like your pet. You love it. You make it bigger. You become your victim version. Oh, I have so many problems. You go everywhere and you talk about your problem. At certain point, your friends will also start leaving you because you always talk about problems. And when you talk about problems, you will never find solution. So if things are at rock bottom right now, it's time to reflect back like, whoa, dude, I need to sit back. I need to understand what's happening in my life. And everything is a projection towards something good of your life. Trust me. Because problems only appears as big when they want to get solved. That is the purpose of problem. And what a problem? Problems are your subconscious images, your movie that you have created with food and water and your thoughts and feelings you have created consciously, unconsciously, programming of the society. It can be anything. Okay, so if you're going through a lot of problems in your life, I am telling you, because this is not why I'm telling just to make a video for the sake of a video. This is what I have done in my life. Trust me, where am I sitting right now and telling you all this is a result of what I have faced in life. And I'm a person who never sit with problems. Maybe I need 24 hours or maybe sometimes 6 days, 7 days, but then I'm like, I need to find a solution for it. Okay, I'm a problem solver. All my life I've been a problem solver of everyone. You come to me with any problem, we'll find a solution to it. So my point of view in my life has always been like, whatever I have a problem, I need to find a solution to it. I need to sit back. I need to reflect like what's happening. And this is a video that I'm making out of my own life situation when everything was falling apart. Money, job, relationship. I have gone through bad cheating in life, one after another. People have cheated me, friends, relationships, and I'm still smiling. Why, Because I realized that life is trying to project me something. Life is trying to take me somewhere else. I'm stuck in a situation. I'm stuck in relationship which are not for me. I'm stuck with people, friends who are not for me, who are just not at all good for me. But I'm still stuck because my subconscious feels extremely comfortable with them. It feels safe. It keeps me in a loop of comfort zone. Same with the finance, same with career. So before I end this video, let me tell you once more, you are not stuck in your life's problem. This is a chance life is giving you right now to rebuild again, because problems are the gateway to the next phase of your life. if you do not embrace this and accept change, then you will forever get stuck in it. And also remember one thing, if you get stuck in this, your subconscious will reprogram your life this way that you will get stuck in the loop again and again. So it's time to change, embrace change. If you need my help, you can reach out to me in this email ID given below. Subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. Like this video, share this video with someone, any friends, family member who is going through any such situation, and this is really gonna help them. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. I love you all, and don't forget, this life is precious. Embrace it every single day.